Okay, dear students, good morning. So today I will start the lecture on the topic of cylindrical polar coordinate system. So in previous lecture, we have already discussed about the rectangular coordinate system and some specific element, that is line element, surface element and volume element. So that is cylindrical polar coordinates, or simply you can say cylindrical coordinates. So cylindrical coordinate system is a very convenient whenever we are dealing with problem having cylindrically symmetry. So look at the figure. Here OX and OY and OZ are three mutually perpendicular axes and P is the point, and this point is drawn perpendicular to XY plane. XY plane and midpoint M, that is M is the XY plane. यहाँ से mid to the origin, that is known as S, and this point is perpendicular on Z axis, that is S. This is the 90 degree because this line is perpendicular on Z axis. Phi here, this is known as S, okay, or here phi equal to phi OM and X. It means कि phi is the angle between X axis and OM. Yeah, that is phi is the azimuthal angle. So phi is the azimuthal angle measured between X axis and OM, and Z is Z, right? So look at here M point perpendicular drawn on X axis. This is the 90 degree. Here X axis, Y axis. This is the Z axis or Z axis. Z. Okay, PM distance and this distance, right? Suppose here L. This distance is Z, this distance is Z. Clear? Simply. So here ki X equal to S cos phi. That means he Cartesian coordinates change to the cylindrical polar X, Y, Z. How can change Cartesian coordinates in cylindrical polar coordinates? To look at the figure OMN, triangle OMN, right? This is the 90 degree. So cos phi equal to base upon hypotenuse. So here base equal to ON, okay, ON upon OM. So OM equal to OM cos phi. So here OM equal to X, S cos phi. So X equal to S cos phi. Again sin phi equal to Mn base. ON base, this is the perpendicular. So Mn upon OM. Mn equal to OM sin phi. So OM equal to S sin phi. Mn equal to Y. So Y equal to S sin phi. And Z equal to Z. So simply, first it is clear, got it? That is Cartesian coordinates change to the cylindrical polar coordinates. Cylindrical polar coordinates. Up here, that is three coordinates. One is the S, phi and Z. That means unit vector S cap, phi cap and Z cap are three unit vector. So unit vector on increasing along the X, phi cap increasing. Suppose that is simply ki S cap. Here ki unit vector is measured ki S equal to S plus ds. Suppose this point increases here, ds. So this direction is known as S cap, right? S equal to S plus ds. In this means here phi and Z are fixed. Phi and Z are fixed. Phi cap, so phi increasing, phi plus d phi, right? Phi plus d phi. अब here देखो phi, this, so that means that xy plane z and s is constant. Z and s is, suppose this direction, या simply this direction. Okay, this is the d phi, here d phi. That means phi cap. Phi cap is the unit vector. Look at this point here. P is the point. This. Okay. This is phi cap. So phi cap is unit vector along increasing the direction of phi. Right. Here z, simply z cap. Z cap means yes and phi is fixed. Yes and phi is z cap, yes and phi fixed. Here phi s and z fixed. S and z fixed. Clear? So here unit vector, that is s cap, phi cap and z cap, as similar as I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, I cap, j cap and k cap. So simply one thing here, suppose the line element. So what is the line element, right? Line element, clear? So line element, suppose that is s, this here, and here ds, it means s plus ds increasing. So this is, or here this is, that is known as line element. Line, so dls, that is line element, is equal to magnitude of line element is ds and direction is s cap. Okay, dls cap, that is line element, to magnitude ds and s cap is the direction. So line element dls, so dls equal to ds magnitude and s cap, ds and s cap. In the same way, here d is d phi. Up, look at this triangle here. This is the arc or this is the radius, right? Angle d phi. So we know that here, we know that कि angle equal to arc upon radius. Okay, तो arc calculate कर, arc d phi, that is dl phi. तो arc equal to angle, तो radius into angle. तो here radius equal to s और this equal to angle d phi. तो ये dl phi, तो that means कि dl phi equal to yes d phi phi cap. It means this is the magnitude of this line element, this line element. Again same thing, similar, dlz cap. So here increasing on this direction. Here look at this point or this point. So here P point, similar point, and increasing this z. Okay, so this is the dz. So dz and z cap, right? Line element, right? Okay. Again, that is most even, that is surface element. Surface element. Surface element or area element. Surface element or area element. तो एरिया एलिमेंट दैट इज लाइन एलिमेंट मीन्स कि वन वेरिएबल इज चेंज, टू इज फिक्स्ड. सपोज यस इज यस चेंज एस प्लस ds, phi plus d phi, and dz z plus dz. Area element, one variable is fixed. One variable is fixed. Two variables should be changed. Suppose कि s cap, that means कि s constant, that is here phi cap and z cap. So that means कि this means, suppose here another figure, look at this. Here P is the point, perpendicular 90 degree. Here z direction, so dz, that is simply here just like arrow. Look at this figure in one plane. So this area is known as surface element or area element, right? Area element just like as a dz, dl phi and dlz. dl phi into dlz. Yes, simply you can write here that is s is constant, so dl phi equal to s d phi magnitude, in dlz equal to dz. The direction is s cap. Yes, simply you can calculate by using line element की dl phi cross dlz equal to, so dl phi cross dlz equal to yes d phi cap into dz z cap. So here yes d phi dz is the scalar quantity, so yes d phi dz phi cap cross z cap. So phi cap cross z cap equal to s cap. So here s d phi dz s cap. Again surface, that is phi is constant, the area, so phi is constant, the direction is phi, that means this constant, this into this, so ds dz or phi cap direction. Z is constant, area, yes d phi ds z cap. Okay. Another is the volume element. So volume element means three coordinates are changed along s cap, phi cap and z cap. That is a three-dimensional structure that is known as volume. So volume simply I have already discussed in the previous lecture कि volume of the parallelepiped equal to कि a vector dot b cross c, right? So simply कि suppose three vectors line vector, right? So here d tau means कि dx, dy and dz, that is volume element. So d tau equal to dls dot dl phi dlz. So simply here dls equal to magnitude ds s cap dot dl phi s d phi cap cross dz z cap. Okay, अब here s d phi dz and ds is the scalar value, scalar quantity. तो ds s d phi dz. Here s cap dot phi cap cross z cap. तो phi cap cross z cap equal to s cap. तो ds s d phi dz s cap dot s cap. S cap dot s cap simply one, just like as I cap dot I cap. So ds s d phi dz, that is volume element d tau in Cartesian coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system. अब बोल कि what is the range of Cartesian coordinate? It means limit or range s, phi and z. S, phi and z. So s, phi and z. What is the limit? Here range, right? So here range is 0 infinity, phi 0 to pi, and z minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, तो phi is clear कि phi here simply again I repeat the coordinates variable s, phi, z. So simply s is the radius of cylinder passing through the point P, passing through the point P, and phi is the azimuthal angle measured this projection and x-axis, or z is the z direction. Yeah, make a simple diagram. Suppose look at this one diagram. Suppose just like as a one cylinder. Okay, here cylinder, right? Here cylinder. Okay, at this point. Suppose your origin center, ये y axis, x axis and z axis. अब here P is the point. Suppose okay, P any point, here P is the point, this point. अब here P is point, so again here P is the point. So just keep P point perpendicular to xy plane, perpendicular to xy plane, right? Or this plane give 90 degree. So this value is s, same is the s, oh, s, that is P. Or here this direction is z. Or here draw to this is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate. Okay, right? अब suppose here P point, increment ds s cap, right? Here this angle is the phi, so I am increasing this angle d phi. In the same way here d phi. Okay, so d phi cap, s cap and z cap, right? So phi cap, s cap and z cap are the unit vector along s, phi and z coordinate in cylindrical, right? In cylindrical or circular cylindrical coordinates. So I think everybody's got it. Okay, so next I will start the next lecture in the spherical polar coordinates, right? So if anybody that is questions or suggestion, so you can put the message in chat box. I will try to give the proper answer as soon as earlier. Thank you.